This is my Operation Christmas Child Shoebox for a little girl age 2 to 4. We have this cute penguin paper. So let's see what's inside. Okay, inside, we turn this over, and we have a cute baby doll. She's got a blanket and this backpack. We have a washcloth, little girl sunglasses that are just adorable. These are just precious. A kid's toothbrush that lights up. Little people. This is Cinderella and Prince Charming. They're just adorable. I really loved to play with little people when I was a little kid. Bar of soap. Minnie Mouse cell phone. And this makes noise. Socks. 2 pairs of socks. A farm animals board book. Chubby Crayons. 2 headbands. There's actually 4 here, but 2 different kinds of headbands. 3 sheets of stickers, colored paper, and a comb. So that is everything that is in this box. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to see more of what I'm packing down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!